So I came across this article where it says that the OpenAI CEO Sam Altman was fired by rival board member. So let's see what this really means. So OpenAI CEO Sam Altman was ousted in a sudden boardroom knifing on Friday, arising from a power struggle over the direction of the company behind ChatGPT. According to a tweet from a former OpenAI president, Greg Brockman, Altman received a text on Thursday night from OpenAI chief scientist and fellow board member Ilya Sutskever, asking him to meet at noon on Friday. So let me just see how you say Sutskever in Russian.
Ilya Sutskever.
Sutskever. So sorry about that. Ilya Sutskever. When Altman logged into the meeting, Brockman wrote the entire OpenAI board was present, except for Brockman. Sutskever informed Altman he was being fired. Brockman said that soon after, he had a call with the board where he was informed that he will be removed from his board position and that Altman had been fired. Then OpenAI published a blog post sharing the news of Altman's ouster. The post is trash, so it's not worth going over. Brockman wrote that the only person on the management team knew ahead of time was Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati, who was named interim CEO. If you have seen her on video, she's like a corporate piece, no personality, no backbone, just a snake. So makes sense. It all checks. Sam and I are shocked and saddened by what the board did today, Brockman wrote. A knowledgeable source said that the board struggle reflected a cultural clash at the organization, with Altman and Brockman focused on commercialization and Sutskever and his allies focused on the original non-profit mission of OpenAI. So let's unpack this. So probably you saw the news where Sam Altman was hinting at creating a marketplace. So what does this mean? Well, that means that people like me, developers, get to make money. And it goes without saying that OpenAI gets to make a ton of money. So probably I don't buy any of this. I don't think that Sutskever and his allies were focusing on the original non-profit mission while the other guy was trying to profit. If you have been around for long, you'll see that actually boards like to profit. Like that's why, and OpenAI is transitioning a non-profit tool right now. So not make any sense. I don't buy it. Sounds like taking the high road. Like, oh, we fired Altman because he was capitalistic. I don't buy it. Probably this is a good old power that we'll never know about. But regardless of this, I have to say that the product is actually pretty fantastic. And Emil Littman, my co-founder at Nephrodata, is building awesome OpenAI tooling for you guys. So that's what I want to transition right now. So today, we announced the release of OpenAI Safe. OpenAI type-safe Rust library. And this is a Rust library specialized in providing type-safe interactions with the OpenAI API. It is designed to simplify the process of sending requests to OpenAI and interpreting the responses, ensuring that the JSON data is handled in a type-safe manner. This guarantees that the data conforms to predefined structures, reducing runtime errors and increasing the reliability of applications using OpenAI powerful AI models like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, of course. So let me show you a small demo. Just before doing that, let me look at the chat. Let me see what's going on. Cool. All right, so let me pull the library that we built. We'll run a couple of examples, and let me know what you think. So we'll start by we'll start with like one of the newest capabilities of OpenAI API, which is to parse PDFs and to kind of extract some data from it. So this is a very, very old press release from the San Francisco Symphony, where they go over a concert. It's a press release informing the public about the concert. So it's the S&M concert, and long story short, there are some details about this event that I want to parse using AI. So in particular, I want to parse the following fields from the PDF. Let me just make sure that the stream looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, here are some details that I want to parse from this document. I want to create a Rust structure that contains the dates when this event or events will take place. Which band are we talking about? The venue, the city, country, the ticket price, if available. So what I want to have happen is I want to send this file to OpenAI, have it parse all these fields, and just print them to the console. That's the very small example I built for you. So let me just reduce the size of my image, right, so that I have more real estate. So let's go over the example here. First, we read the OpenAI API key, environment variable. Then we read the Metallica PDF file, which is this file that we were looking at, this file over here. After that, we use the OpenAI file to send this file to OpenAI. And then we extract details about the document using the API. So let's take a look at the parameters here. Obviously, you'll need an API key. And then this debug flag is very useful to see what the API is doing, because this is not... this API might take a second to process the file. So we abstract all from you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we'll just go ahead and run it. Cargo run. Yeah. So let's see what it does. Oh yeah, finally, we just print the concert here. So let's see what it does. Okay, so first we see that the file was uploaded, and it creates like some file ID. And then after that, we call the assistant API. And then we need to poll the computation state. So basically, you post the file, and then you need to constantly poll for a response. In this case, the query we are requesting is extract the information requested in the response type from the attached concert information. Which I think is pretty fantastic, because I'm not telling it by hand, hey, I want you to extract the dates, the band, the venue, and so on. I'm just saying, listen, extract information requested in the response type. So I'm saying, OpenAI, you go figure it out. And surprisingly enough, we see that it does. So let's verify some of this data. But here you can see right off the bat that it did create a valid JSON array with the date. So Friday, September 6th, 2019. The band is Metallica and the San Francisco Symphony. The venue is the Chase Center. So let's corroborate some of this information. So I'm just going to dive. Okay, so first let's look at the at the dates. So 2019, which is pretty fantastic, and that's a Friday, of course. The band, Metallica and the San Francisco Symphony, amazing. At Chase Center of San Francisco, California. And the ticket price is not, basically the parser was not able to find it. Let's see if there's a price. There's no price information. So to me, this is fantastic. And it's so easy to use it. We are making this crate available to everyone. To just look for OpenAI crate. And I'm going to just put it on chat. Hey, ATD285, love your content. You inspire me to learn Rust. Hey, thank you so much. What are you up to? Let me just reply. Thanks, friend. What are you building? Cool. So to me, this is pretty straightforward. We are looking to continue building in this library based on your feedback. If you find this useful, I encourage you to join the Discord that we just created to kind of communicate back and forth about this library. I'm going to probably add the Discord rate as well. But we are looking to continue investing on this technology. So I created a channel on their security union. I think it's called, you know what? I didn't create it yet. Now, so it's going to be called a text channel called OpenAI Safe Crate. Awesome. So now, yeah, please let me know if this is useful, if it's not useful. If you see any bugs, feel free to create a PR. And yeah, like Camille did most of this work, and he, in my opinion, he crushed it. So we're going to continue investing on it. We already have support for GPT-4 Turbo that was announced like 1 week ago, November 6th or something. Yeah, November 6th. Because, listen, despite the drama, the fact of the matter is that OpenAI technology is amazing. So we want to be part of it. We want to transform into useful software for everyone. And I hope you can join us in the journey. We are looking for Twitter, to support this crate. Overall, we want to continue fostering this sense of community. Please reach out to me directly if you want to discuss Rust, you want to discuss hearing, you want to discuss, whatever you want to talk about, I'm here. And with that, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Well, let me just go through the comments and see if there's something we should discuss. So Miguel Martinez says, this is amazing. I had days looking for some crate for Rust and OpenAI API. Miguel, hopefully our crate helps you. And please do let us know if it is helpful or not. I'm still going through the Rust book right now, planning on building some cool internal utilities for work. Your crate looks amazing. ATD285, thank you so much. I'm really thrilled to be able to share this Saturday morning with you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll be in communication. Bye.